Kia Telluride EX rear bumper replacement. This guide offers step-by-step instructions for safely removing the rear bumper of your Kia Telluride. Removal steps. Step 1. Use a screwdriver or trim remover to take off the rear combination lamp cover. Step 2. Unscrew the mounting bolts and take out the rear combination lamp. Step 3. Disconnect the rear combination lamp connector. Step 4. Loosen the lower mounting bolts of the rear bumper. Step 5. Loosen the mounting clips and nut, then remove the rear bumper side under cover. Step 6. Loosen the lower mounting clips of the rear bumper. Step 7. After loosening the screws on the side of rear bumper assembly, detach the side part of rear bumper assembly. Step 8. Loosen the mounting clips and then remove the rear bumper assembly. Step 9. Disconnect the connector. Step 10. Install the rear bumper by following the removal steps in reverse order. Information. To ensure proper functioning of the rear corner radar system, use only genuine parts for repairs, avoid applying foreign objects or performing paint work near the sensor, and check for any damage or obstructions such as dirt, snow, or impact around the radar area. Rear bumper disassemble. Here are a few additional steps that clearly demonstrate how to disassemble the rear bumper. 1. Remove the rear bumper assembly. Watch the first part of the video, where we show you how it's done. 2. Disconnect the wiring harness connected to the rear bumper beam mounting. 3. Loosen the mounting clips and remove the rear bumper beam assembly. 4. To install, follow the removal procedure in reverse order. Ensure the connector is properly plugged in and replace any damaged clips. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on more helpful videos.